Today I thought I'd give this GoPro Karma a fly. It hasn't been flown in quite a while. We're going to be flying the GoPro Karma in 2020 and see how it goes. I did updated the firmware about a month ago, charged the batteries a couple weeks ago, so we'll do an opening, get it out and do an opening. Alright, got it out, got the landing pad up. You notice on my remote control I've got an extender. I think part of the original problem with the Karmas was that the antennas were internal. So I went ahead and did this extender. They're about $100. You can find them on eBay. I'm not sure the name of it. I'll have to look up the name and put it online. But I like the fact that it's got its own controller. And you don't have to use an iPhone or Android device to control the drone. Those of you not familiar with the Karma, it was GoPro's attempt to get into drone, get into flying. It was GoPro's attempt to get into drones. You see it's rather large, and I'll take it out. It attaches. I've got the 7 GoPro on here, and I believe it works with the 8 as long as you update it. But you see how large it is. I'll set it over here. It actually looks like a seagull, I think. Call it the seagull drone. Unfold the arms. It's a big baby. I'll go ahead and power it up. So I'll power up the controller. Controller has a rechargeable battery in it. The battery actually does last a pretty long time. Like I said, I haven't flown this probably in 3 or 4 months. I did update the BIOS a month or 2 ago. I had an update. For those of you not familiar with the Karma, you'll get this welcome screen. Swipe up, and everything's locked up. You should see the view of the camera.
Ready to fly. 3, 2, 1.
An auto takeoff here. I'm going to go ahead and do auto takeoff. Oops.
Ready to fly.
Too late.
3, 2, 1. Karma.
And this is a Type 2 controller. This is your altitude. You do have a return to home, but I've never used it. So there you have it. We're flying the GoPro Karma in 2020. If you want a cheap drone that has a good camera on it, I think you can pick these up for about $400 on eBay with the camera. So I've never had any big problems with it. It's always been nice and steady. So good luck until next time.